Whispering Forest, Araf's magical adventure. Long ago, in a peaceful village surrounded by rolling hills and sparkling rivers, there lived a young boy named Araf. He was known throughout the village for his endless curiosity and adventurous spirit. While other children were happy playing games in the fields, Araf was always searching for something new, something mysterious. And nothing in the world fascinated him more than the Whispering Forest. The forest stood at the far edge of the village, dark and tall, its trees stretching toward the sky like ancient guardians. The villagers often spoke of it in hushed tones. Some said it was enchanted. Others believed it was dangerous. A few claimed they had heard voices coming from within its depths. But Araf believed something different. He believed the forest was calling him. One evening, as the golden sun dipped below the hills, Araf sat beside his grandmother near the warm glow of a lantern. You basically, Adi, he asked softly, what really happens inside the Whispering Forest? His grandmother looked at him with wise, gentle eyes. The forest listens, Araf, she said, and it reveals its secrets only to those who are brave enough to understand them. Araf leaned forward. Have you ever been inside? Top Pete. As to your service, and the session is, it smiled faintly. Once, long ago, and I learned something important. What did you know? Araf asked. That the greatest adventures are not about what you find, she said, but about who you become. That night, Araf was his mind was alive with thoughts of hidden paths, glowing creatures, and magical secrets. By morning, he had made up his mind. He was going into the forest. Before the village grew, Araf had a small bag of food, water, and his favorite red scarf. The air was cool as he stepped quietly out of his house and walked toward the edge of the whispering forest. As soon as he crossed into it, everything changed. Sunlight filtered through layers of thick leaves. The air felt alive, carrying a soft humming sound, like a distant song. The trees seemed to sway in the without wind, as if they were watching him. Araf waited. Hello, he called. For a moment, nothing happened. Then, faint and soft, a voice echoed around him. Hello, Araf. He froze. Who said that? He asked, his voice trembling slightly. We are the forest, the whisper replied, and we have been waiting for you. Araf's fear slowly turned into excitement. Waiting for me? Why? To test your heart. Suddenly, glowing symbols appeared on the ground, forming a narrow path that stretched deeper into the forest. Follow the path, the voice said. Araf tightened his scarf and stepped forward. As he walked, the forest grew more magical. Tiny glowing lights floated in the air like fireflies. Strange flowers shimmered in colors he had never seen before. The deeper he went, the stronger the whispers became. Soon, he reached a clearing where a tall stone stood in the center.